I'm here because... Wait, why am I here? SpongeBob! I'm having another eggs and pencils crisis!
Not now, Patrick. And Squidward has done a great job holding it all together.
Against my will, I might add.
So what do you say, Mr. Krabs? Will you help?
Well, I suppose I could join the cause, but it'll have to be our standard deal.
A week of my wages per hour?
You got it, kiddo.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get this restoration underway! Perfectly calibrated! Ow!
Not a bad bit of wing scattering, if I do say so myself. Now to put the finishing touches on her.
Excuse me, everyone. Not to micromanage or anything, but do any of you actually know how to build a pineapple?
Well, of course we do, silly. Firstly, every pineapple needs a solid foundation to keep it firmly in place.